Wait, no, wait, do it again.
Oh, you missed it.
I missed it.
Wait, no, it's gonna take her a while to build it up.
Yeah.
Okay, Gail's turn.
I can't do it on
Yeah, you
command.
can.
I cannot.
How do you not
I
know
could
how to-
fart. But you don't want that.
Just try to. I want to hear the sound you make.
It sounds like a cat. What?
Cat and
A
me.
hairball. It's just a cat working up a hairball.
Okay.
It sounds like squirt coming out of my nose.
Or stool in your stomach.
Just for the record, everyone, Africa has stool in her stomach. Yes, it is true. And I had to wait in the emergency room the day before my final for about 4 hours to figure this out. Africa, I repeat, Africa has stool in her stomach.
It's supposed to be in her poop chute. Not in her stomach.
Okay, my turn. Wait, I can do it now.
Turn it so I can
I can do it.
capture you. Somebody.
Okay.
Don't throw up.
Ew, you're gonna make me gag. Oh,
Wait.
I can't do it.
I wish I could compete with these two. I'm past my prime.
the end. Oh, Sarah has one coming.
The grand finale.
I don't have to stop. That's gonna be put up on YouTube.
Did you get that one? Oh my
Wait,
god.
just
That
tasted
is the most
nasty.
taste I've ever heard.
Wait, just try again.
I think she just burped up stool.
I really can't. I think she just burped up stool.